If you've got a Hostinger account or are considering signing up, but need a little help navigating the Hostinger website builder, you're in the perfect spot. Today, we're diving into an exciting area, AI-powered website creation. Specifically, I'll guide you through a detailed walkthrough and review of the Hostinger AI website builder. If you've ever thought about building a website quickly and easily, let's get started. Hostinger is an excellent choice for a budget-friendly website builder. Even their premium website builder plan is sufficient for most users. However, I recommend paying those extra 90 cents and opting for the business website builder plan from the start. With this plan, you'll get e-commerce features and, most importantly, fully supported AI tool, which will be invaluable when building your website. After purchasing the plan, log in using your Google account. Once logged in, you'll see an interface with options on the left side. Simply click on Websites. After clicking, you will find the Add Website button. Click on it, and you'll be presented with 3 options. If you want to create a website using WordPress, you can choose the first option. If you have your own website code, go with the third option. However, I want to build my website using Hostinger AI, so I'll select the second option. Click on it, then press Start. Choose your website type, and then enter the name and description of your site. If you click on Personalization Settings, you'll get 2 more options. One of them surprised me. If you select this, the AI will automatically choose a color palette for your website. If you prefer to do it manually, click on My Color Palette, where you can customize your colors according to your preferences. Once all settings are complete, click the Create a Website button and wait a few minutes. After waiting, you'll see that your website is ready. It looks quite good. If you want to edit this website, click on the Edit Site button, where you can fully customize your site. Now, let's take a look at how to use the Hostinger website editor. You get full drag and drop controls, allowing you to move elements wherever you want. For beginners, arranging everything can feel a bit overwhelming, so there's also a grid feature that clearly shows where you can place things. Essentially, Hostinger is great for beginners because it's a no-code website builder, meaning you don't need any web development knowledge. Let's take a closer look at the elements. There are only 15 available, so it doesn't quite compare to larger builders like Wix. However, these are the essential components every website needs. Elements include social icons, galleries, contact forms, and even embedded code block. For example, let's add a gallery to show you how it works. Simply drag the gallery element to your desired spot, and you'll see it automatically populate with demo images. Next, click Manage to edit the gallery. You can either upload images from your computer or choose from the integrated stock image library, which is a huge time saver since you don't need to leave the editor to find relevant media. Once you've added the images you want, click Edit Gallery to customize the appearance. I'll choose a masonry layout, reduce the number of items per row, and remove the gaps between them. Finally, I'll assign a scaling animation to enhance the visual effect. Moving sections around or adding new ones is also very simple. The section selection is decent, offering pre-made elements like terms of service, forms, and short content blocks. While I wish there were more animations and deeper styling options, I'm overall quite satisfied with what Hostinger provides. In this next section of the Hostinger website builder guide, let me walk you through using the AI tool. On the left side, you'll find an entire menu dedicated to AI tools, including a logo generator, AI blog generator, AI writer, and more. While these tools are unique, they are incredibly helpful, especially if you're building a website on your own with little or no prior experience. The image generator works well, allowing you to be quite descriptive to eventually get the results you want. However, keep in mind that when you create a Hostinger account, you are given a limited number of credits. Once those are used up, each additional image will come at an extra cost. One AI tool I found particularly useful was the Logo Maker, which quickly generated non-copyrighted design. This can save you a lot of money since you won't need to hire a graphic designer. While the results may not match the work of a skilled designer, the logos are often more than enough for less expensive projects. The AI Writer tool was recently updated. Previously, it was quite basic and only allowed you to choose from subcategories for text generation. Now it offers prompt-based writing, which is a big improvement. Although it's not perfect, it's far more versatile than before. The AI blog generator works similarly, allowing you to create a full blog post of your desired length based on just a few words or sentences. You can generate as many blog posts as you want without using credits or paying extra. While the results may require some editing, it can save you a lot of time, particularly when building SEO or creating longer blogs. Another notable tool is the AI Heat Map. This tool helps you plan where to place important information on your website by showing which areas will attract the most attention from visitors. Overall, I was quite satisfied with the functionality of these AI tools, as they streamline various aspects of website building and content creation. The AI Heat Map tool can predict which areas of your website will draw the most attention, even before you publish your site. While I'm not entirely sure how accurate it is, if it proves to be reliable, it offers a significant advantage for new websites, giving them a head start. For example, this tool could be incredibly beneficial for small online stores, allowing you to strategically place buy buttons or special deals where they're most likely to be noticed. Another AI tool worth mentioning is the AI Page Generator. If you need additional pages on your website, this tool is the quickest way to create them. As usual, all you need to do is provide a description for the new page. However, after experimenting with it for a while, I found it challenging to get the exact result I wanted. The tool sometimes struggles to grasp the specific page concept you have in mind. The key seems to be focusing on the first few words of your description, as they carry the most weight. I hope these tools continue to improve, and given Hostinger's track record, it's only a matter of time. That wraps up the overview of Hostinger's AI website builder tools, but there's still plenty more to explore. Next, let's look at how to customize your website's style. Starting with color selection, it might seem a bit complex at first, but the tool displays all the colors used in your design. One feature I appreciate is that it shows how many times each specific color is used throughout your site. Moving on to the Text tab, you can manage your fonts. Hostinger offers a selection of popular font combinations, but that's just the beginning. If you click further, you can extensively edit your fonts, adjusting variations, sizes, and line heights for different elements on your site. When designing your website, you have the freedom to create distinct combinations for H2 and H3 headings, tailoring them to match your style. Additionally, you can access a much larger selection of fonts to enhance your design further. When it comes to buttons and animation, there's not much complexity involved. You can choose from 3 button styles for your entire design and a few animation options to animate the entire website. It's completely up to you to select what fits best, but I recommend keeping it simple. Minimalistic websites often deliver a more polished and professional look. If you're adding an online store to your website, it's an easy process with Hostinger. You can start selling even with the cheapest plan, and there's no additional cost for adding a store. Simply click to create a demo storefront with pre-made item, then manage your products by updating the details to match what you offer. Hostinger keeps the process straightforward, only asking for essential information and basic SEO option, ensuring there's no unnecessary clutter. To set up shipping, head to the Manage Store section and fill in all the required information. If you have experience running an online store, this setup should feel familiar. Next, let's explore the general settings of your website. The first page allows you to upload a favicon, a small image displayed near your website's name. You can also add a preview image and enable a cookie banner for your site. The Integration tab is especially important. Here, you can connect to popular apps like Google Analytics or Facebook Live Chat, making it easier to integrate these tools into your website for improved functionality and user engagement. Speaking of analytics, you don't have to rely solely on Google. Hostinger comes with its own analytics tool, which, while more limited, provides essential information such as the number of orders you receive and where your customers are coming from. This makes it easy to track important metrics without needing to set up an external tool. SEO is another crucial aspect, especially if you want your website to be discoverable. Hostinger offers an SEO page where you can see how your website will appear in search results. A handy completion bar shows if there are areas for improvement, and clicking on any page will launch the SEO setup, where you can add your title, description, and keyword. Hostinger even provides keyword suggestions to help you optimize your site. Going through this setup for all your pages will ensure your website is ready to be discovered by search engine. Once your site is complete, all that's left is to publish it. Simply press the Go Live button, and a window will pop up with a link to your live website and an option to change your domain. Congratulations! You've successfully created your website. In conclusion, is Hostinger Website Builder good? Overall, I found it to be an excellent tool, especially for beginners. The AI website builder tools are incredibly helpful, allowing you to build a professional website in just one afternoon, even without prior experience. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and we'll try to answer as many as possible. If you found this tutorial helpful and want more up-to-date content, don't forget to like and subscribe. That's all for now. See you soon.